Hi student, let us start now. Exercise 5.4, question number 1. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points 4, -3 and 9, 7. It is called A, it is called B in the ratio 3:2. 3:2 means m is to n. Okay, so A equal to 4, -3, B equal to 9, 3, 9, 7, m is to n equal to 3:2. So here it is x1, y1, it is x2, y2. Okay, by section formula. Section formula means m x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n after m y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. Okay, now p of x comma y equal to, what is m? M means 3. What is x2? X2 equal to 9. Okay, after what is n? N equal to 2. What is x1? X1 equal to 4 divided by m plus n means 3 plus 2. Okay, after m y2, m value 3, y2 value 7. So 3 of 7 plus n value 2, y1 equal to -3. So -3 divided by m plus n means 3 plus 2. Okay, so 3 9s are 27, 2 4s are 8. 8 divided by 5. After 3 7s are 21, 2 3s are -6 because plus into minus -6 divided by 5. So 27 plus 8 equal to 35 by 5. 21 minus 6 equal to 15 by 5. So 1 5 is 5, 7 5s are 35. So 7 is one of the part. After 1 5 is 5, 3 5s are 15. So 3 is one of the part answer. Okay, thank you students. Question number 2. In what ratio does the point P of 2, -5 divide the line segment joining -3, 5 and 4, -9? Okay, here it is A, it is B. After P of 2, -5 is here. P of 2, -5 is here. Any point. Okay, by section formula, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Here m value m only because m value not give. After x2 equal to 4 plus n as it is. After x1 equal to -3 divided by m plus n. After m value unknown, so m into y2 value -9 plus n value unknown, y1 value 5 divided by m plus n means m plus n. Okay, so 4 into m, 4m, -3 into n, -3n divided by m plus n, -9 into m, -9m, 5 into n, 5n divided by m plus n. Okay, now comparing the first value, second value, second term. Okay, so 4m minus 3n divided by m plus n equal to 2, minus 9m plus 5n divided by m plus n equal to -5. So 4m minus 3n equal to 2 into m plus n, 2 of m plus n. So 4m minus 3n equal to 2 into m, 2m, 2 into n, 2n. So 4m minus 2m plus 3n, 4m minus plus 2m in opposite minus 2m. After minus 3n plus 2n in opposite minus 2n equal to 0. So 4m minus 2m equal to 2m, minus 3n minus 5 2n equal to minus 5n. Minus 3n minus 2n equal to minus 5n. So 2m equal to minus 5n in opposite plus 5n. So m by n equal to 5 by 2 because multiple 2 in opposite divisible. So m by n equal to 5 by 2. After second part, minus 9m plus 5n divided by m plus n equal to minus 5. So minus 9m plus 5n equal to minus 5 of m plus n. Okay, so minus 5 of m plus n means minus 5 into m minus 5m, minus 5 into n minus 5n. So minus 9m minus 5m in opposite plus 5m, plus 5n minus 5n in opposite plus 5n equal to 0. So minus 9m plus 5m equal to minus 4m. Plus 5n plus 5n equal to plus 10n equal to 0. Now 2 is a common factor, taking out the remaining value minus 2m plus 5n equal to 0. So multiple 2 in opposite divisible. So 0 by any number or 0 by 2 equal to 0. Okay, so the last row minus 2m plus 5n equal to 0. So okay, minus 2n plus 5n equal to 0. So minus 2m plus 5n in opposite minus 5n. So both side negative sign cancel. After m by n equal to 5 by 2 because multiple 2 in opposite divisible 2. So m by n equal to 5 by 2. So m is to n equal to 5 is to 2 ratios. Okay, that is the final result of question number 2. Thank you students. Okay student, now question number 3. Find the coordinates of the point P on the line segment joining A of 1, 2 and P of 6, 7 in such a way that AP equal to 2 by 5 AB. Okay, now A value equal to 1, 2, B value equal to 6, 7. Okay, after I take one number line, here A, here B, 1, 2, 6, 7. After P means any point P of x, y. After m equal to 2, n equal to 3. But the total length is A to B equal to 5. Here listen, AP equal to 2 by 5 of AB. Okay, now that side multiple AB in opposite divisible, so AB by AP by AB equal to 2 by 5. So AP distance equal to 2. Okay, AP distance equal to 2, AB distance equal to 5. So A to P distance 2, A to P distance 2. After A to B distance, A to B distance equal to 5, because 2 balance remaining value 3. So 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So the total distance equal to 5. Okay, A to P to A to B equal to 5, because 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Okay, so probability of x comma y equal to mx2 nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n, section formula. Okay, now substitute x1 y1 value and mn value. Okay, so m value equal to 2, x2 equal to 6 plus n value equal to 3, x1 equal to 1. Okay, divided by m plus n equal to 2 plus 3 plus m value equal to 2, after y2 value equal to 7 plus n value equal to 3, after y1 equal to 2, divided by m plus n equal to 2 plus 3. Now 2 6 are 12, 3 1s are 3, 2 plus 3 equal to 5. After 2 7s are 14, 3 2s are 6, divided by 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Now 15 by 5 after 20 by 5. So 15 by 5 equal to 3, 20 by 5 equal to 4. Okay. After question number 4, find the coordinates of the points of the trisection of the line segment joining the points A of minus 5 comma 6 and B of 5 comma minus 3. So here A, here B. So minus 5 comma 6, 4 comma minus 3. PQ is any point. So P divides by 1 is to 2. P divides by 1 is to 2. Okay, P divides by 1 is to 2. So M is to N concept. So P of x comma y equal to, it is a, okay, P divides by M is to N, I mean 1 is to 2. So M x y2 x2 plus N x1 divided by M plus N, M y2 plus N y1 divided by M plus N. Here it is a section formula. Substitute instead of M equal to 1, x2 equal to 4, after N equal to 2, x1 equal to minus 5. After M equal to 1, y2 equal to minus 3 plus n equal to 2, y1 equal to 6 divided by m plus n. Okay, so 1 of 4 plus 2 of minus 5 divided by 1 plus 2, 1 of minus 3 plus 2 of 6 divided by 1 plus 2. So 1 4 is 4, 2 5s are minus 10, 1 plus 2 equal to 3. 1 3 minus 3, 2 6 are 12 divided by 1 plus 3, 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Okay, so minus 10 plus 4 equal to minus 6 by 3, plus 12 minus 3 equal to 9 by 3 equal to minus 2 by minus 2 comma 3, because 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Okay, after Q of x comma y equal to mx to nx1 m plus n, my to ny1 m plus n. Okay, here it is a section formula. Now Q divides by 2 is to 1 ratios. Okay, P divides by, first one, P divides by m is to n ratio, I mean 1 is to 2. P divides by, here it is 1, it is 2 point is here, 1 point, another 1 point, 2 point, so 1 is to 2. After Q divides 2 is to 1, because here it is 2 point is here, 1 point is here, so 2 is to 1. Substitute all the values in this formula. M equal to 2, N equal to 1, x2 x1 as it is, x2 x1 as it is, y1 y2 also as it is. Okay, now 8 comma minus 5 divided by 3 comma minus 6 comma plus 6 by 3. So 8 comma 5 equal to 3 by 8 comma 5 equal to 3 by 3, minus 6 comma 6 equal to 0, 0 by 3 equal to 0, because 0 by any number 0. So 3 by 3 1. So 1 comma 0 is your final answer. Now question number 5, the line segment joining A of 6 comma 3 and B of minus 1 comma minus 4 is doubled in length by adding half of AB to each end. Find the coordinates of the new endpoints. Here A, here B. A value 6 comma 3, B value minus 1 comma 4. Okay, after midpoint M, after here it is C, x2 comma x3 comma y3, here it is D, x4 comma y4. Now distance of AB, distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, now what is x2? x2 equal to minus 1. What is x1? x1 equal to minus 6. So minus 6 whole square plus y2 minus y1, y2 value minus 4, y1 value 3 whole square. So minus 1 minus 6 minus 7 whole square, minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 whole square. So 7 square 49, 7 square 49, because minus square also 49, minus 7 square also 49. So 49 plus 49 equal to 98. But 98 how to write? 49 whole square. Okay, 49 whole square. 49 whole square means 49 whole square, not 49 into 2. Okay, because 49 into 2 equal to 98. So 49 how to write? Root of 49 how to write? 7. Root of 49 equal to 7, but root of 2 as it is root 2. So 7 root is a answer. So AB bar equal to 7 root 2. But in this question gave half of AB to each end, half of AB. So half of AB bar equal to 7 root 2. Half of AB means already given your book. Okay, half of AB bar equal to 7 root 2. But 1 by 2 AB equal to 7 root 2 by 2. 7 root 2 by 2. Half of AB equal to 7 root 2. So AB equal to 7 root 2. 1 by 2 in opposite. 2 by 1. 1 by 2 AB bar equal to 7 root 2. So half of AB equal to 7 root 2 by 2. So 2 how to write? Root 2 into root 2. So no root 2 cancel, remaining only 7 by root 2. 7 by root 2. After midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So x1 value 6, x2 value minus 1 divided by 2. After y2 value 3, y1 value minus 4 divided by 2. After simplification 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Since C is the midpoint, C is at the distance of 1 by 2 AB from B. So midpoint of MC equal to B. Midpoint of MC equal to B. Midpoint of M2C equal to B. Okay. So midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 x1. Okay, the new x1 5 by 2, new y1 minus 1 by 2. So x1 plus x3 by 2, comma y1 plus y3 by 2. Okay, so x1 value 5 by 2, after x3 as it is by 2 plus y1 value minus 1 by 2 plus y3 as it is by 2 equal to minus 1 comma minus 4, because B value minus 1 comma 4. B values give minus 1 comma minus 4. Okay, so 5 by 2 x3 by 2 equal to minus 1, minus 1 by 2 y3 by 2 equal to minus 4. So 5 by 2 plus x3 equal to divided 2 in opposite multiple. So 2 of minus 1 minus 2. So x3 equal to minus 2 plus 5 by 2 in opposite minus 5 by 2. Now x3 equal to 2 2s are minus 4, 4 minus 5 equal to minus 9 by 2. After minus 1 by 2 plus y3, so y3 equal to minus 1 by 2 in opposite plus 1 by 2. So 2 8s are minus 16, minus 16 plus 1 equal to minus 15 by 2. So C of x3 comma y3 equal to minus 9 by 2 minus 15 by 2. Similarly, midpoint of DM equal to A of 6 comma 3. Okay, midpoint of DM equal to A, but A values give 6 comma 3. DM equal to A. Midpoint of DM. Is done. Midpoint of DM value is A. Okay, so between D to M value is A. A values give 6 comma 3. Okay, DM equal to A. So DM equal to A means x4 plus 5 by 2 equal comma 2 by 2, y4 plus minus 1 by 2 equal to 6 comma 3. Okay, so DM equal to A. So D values give in your question x4 comma y4. M values give 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2. M values give 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2. A equal to, A value is 6 comma 3. Now what is the formula? X1 x2, midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Now x1 equal to 4, y1 equal to 5 by 2 by 2. After x2 equal to y4, after y1 equal to minus 1 by 2 divided by 2. Okay, x2 equal to x1 y1 plus x2 y2 value is minus 1 by 2 by 2. So x4 plus 5 by 2 by 2 equal to 6, y4 minus 1 by 2 by 2 equal to 6. Now x4 equal to plus 5 by 2 in opposite minus 5 by 2. So 2 12s are 24, 24 minus 5 19 by 2. After minus 1 by 2 in opposite plus 1 by 2. So 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 1 13 by 2. So the other endpoints are D of x comma x4 comma y4 equal to 19 by 2, 13 by 2. Okay, thank you students. Number 6, using section formula show that the points A of 7 comma 5, after B of 9 comma minus 3 and C of 13 comma 1. Okay, So 1 comma minus 5 is A. So here it is A, it is B. So x1 y1 x2 y2. Now distance formula, I mean distance between A to B equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now x2 equal to 9, x1 equal to 7. So minus 7. After y2 equal to minus 3, y1 equal to minus 5. So minus of minus 5 whole square. So 9 minus 7 2 whole square plus minus 3 minus into minus plus 5. So plus 5 minus 3 equal to 2. Okay, 2 whole square. So 2 square 4, 2 square 4. 4 plus 4 8. Root 8 how to write? Root of 4 into 2. So root of 4 means 2. So 2 into root 2. After distance between BC. So BC means B value 9 comma 3, C value 13 comma 1. Okay, so x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1, it is a formula. What is x1? It is y1. It is x2, it is y2. So x2 value 13, x1 value x2 equal to 13, after x1 equal to minus 7. Okay, x2 value 13, x1 value is 9, so minus 9 whole square. Y2 value 1, y1 value minus 3, so minus to minus plus 3. So 13 minus 9 4 square, 1 minus to minus plus, so plus 3 plus 1 equal to plus 4. 4 square is 16, another one 4 square is 16. 16 plus 16 32. How to write? Root of 16 into 2. Root of 16 into 2 means root of 16 4. Root of 16 equal to 4. So root 2. So 4 into root 2. Now AC, I mean distance of AC equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. A value is here, C value is here. So 7 comma minus by 5, 13 comma 1. Here it is x1 y1, it is x2 y2. Now instead of x2 equal to 13, x1 equal to minus 7 whole square plus, instead of y2 equal to 1, y1 equal to minus 5. So minus to minus plus 5. So plus 1 plus 5 equal to plus 6. 13 minus 7 equal to 6. Okay, so 6 square 36, 6 square 36, 36 plus 36 72. 72 how to write? Root of 36 into 2. Now root of 36 equal to 6, root 2 as it is. Okay, now 2 root 2 plus 4 root 2 equal to 6 root 2. That means AB vector plus BC equal to AC. So ABC are collinear. Thank you, students.